Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn ServiceNow platform. Hope you all are well. Today I will cover the scheduled reports topic. This topic will really help you to utilize the scheduled report in your current ServiceNow scenario. Okay, and if you didn't watch my previous video, please watch first, because how we can create the report and how we can attach the report with the dashboard, so I already covered in the previous lecture. So please watch first if you didn't watch. Now let's come to the new topic, that is scheduled reports. So in the indexing part I will try to cover in this how we can create the scheduled reports, how to update the scheduled reports, and how many way we can execute the schedule. So I will cover all this relevant point in this video. So please watch, be carefully, and try to learn new thing. Schedule report are automatically run at predefined frequency and emailed as a file to a list of recipient. It means that we are scheduling some reports on the basis of predefined frequency. It means we can schedule the report on daily basis, monthly basis, weekly basis. According to the customer requirement, we can define the frequency of the scheduled reports. According to that, whenever you have scheduled the frequency of the scheduled reports, the scheduled reports will be executed on that time. Okay, in this scenario the one mail will be triggered from the ServiceNow to the list of recipient member. Okay, on that mail one file is attached. Okay, and that file is your report, whatever you have configured in the report. Okay, according to that, user will get the record of the report. Scheduled report format are CSV, XLS, PNG, and PDF. Anyone you can execute according to that format. Okay, how we can achieve this functionality? Go to the ServiceNow portal and go to the filter navigator. Just type the reports, and then you can see the schedule reports module. Just go to the click new button, create the one new schedule, and according to that you can schedule the report, you can configure the report. Okay, and how we can test on the current scenario basis? So yes, you can execute the currently, you can execute now. So we have the functionality in the service now, you can test the schedule on the same time. So simply once you save the schedule report, then you will get the one execute now button. Okay, you can see the execute button, and simply just you need to click on the execute button and your schedule will be executed now. Okay, but the executed now button is not available until a schedule report is saved for the first time. Okay, so once you save the your schedule report, after this you can see the action UI button. Okay, that is a execute button. Okay, so you can execute according to your scenario. Okay, and also you can execute current basis, execute now, and you can also the predefined frequency. According to that, the schedule will be executed on the same time whatever you have filled in the schedule duration time. Okay, and how we can achieve all this functionality? Let's come to the demo point, and I will try to help you to clear out this all point on my personal PDI. So let's jump on the PDI. Now this time for a demo. Okay, this is my personal ServiceNow PDI instance. Simply go to all, type the report, and you can see the schedule reports module. Click to open, click to create new button, and you can see the configuration of this page for schedule reports. Okay, so according to the customer requirement, you can schedule your reports as per the demand. I am taking a one demo example. Here you can select your reports whatever you have created in the previous. Okay, just I am taking a one demo example, so I select the my group work. Okay, so you can select your reports as per your condition. this user group and email address. This all three attributes are a recipient. Okay, so if you want to add any recipient, you can add here. Okay, I'm taking one example. Now here, if you want to add any group, then you can also add here. Okay, if you want to add any email address, then you can also add the DL. And this is a runtime. Okay, so if you want the schedule this report on the daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis, periodically, once on demand, business calendar entry, start business calendar entry end, so you can select according to that. Okay, and you can select the time. Okay, so according to my scenario, I am scheduling this report on daily basis at 8 a.m. Okay, if you want to add some condition, then you can also add here and type the script, and in this you need to select the on demand, and now you can add some script to set the condition. Currently I'm just try to scheduling this report on daily basis, so I select as a false. Omit if no record, I'm always take as a false, because if in my reports it's no record are available, then this schedule will never execute it. Okay, so always I'm taking as a false in this. Okay, in this you can select your add your subject. Here you can also try to introduce your message, whatever you want to introduce with the recipient. You can see the type of schedule. Okay, so in what format you want to schedule this report, in the PDF format, PDF landscape, okay, Excel sheet, CSV. So in what format you want to schedule this report, then you can achieve this functionality with the help of type. Okay, and this is included with. Okay, in this, if you want to schedule the multiple report with the one schedule reports time, then you can add the multiple included with the schedule reports. Okay, and then you can add the multiple schedule reports here. Here we can select the page size. Okay, in what page size you want to execute this report. Now the my configuration point is completed, sufficient to execute this. Click to submit button. Yes, the remote demo new, it's the schedule report is configured now. Okay, now you can see the record. And now if you want to update the report, suppose you got the new update from the customer that user wants to schedule this report on the weekly basis. Okay, now simply just need to select the weekly, and if and what date you on what day user want. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. According to that you can select here and schedule this report. Okay, and if wants to change the Excel user wants to change the format of the report, then you can also select the Excel sheet. Okay, so according to the scenario you can define and you can update the scheduled reports. Click to update button now. Yes, the reports, my schedule reports, it's updated, and you can see the weekly. Okay, I changed the Excel sheet, so this format and both point is completed and updated now. Okay, and third point, how many way we can execute the report. Okay, so as per the out of box OOB functionality, we have the 1 2 3 4 5 format is existing now. Okay, it's available, so you can execute the 5 way we can execute this schedule reports. Okay, and now you can see this is execute now button. Okay, so once you click on the execute now button, this schedule will be executed and the recipient will receive this report. Okay, via with the help of mail. Okay, and according to the runtime, so if you want, because this is the basic purpose to automate the scheduled reports, and user will receive the report. Okay, so this is the agenda of the scheduled reports. Okay, why we are creating, because user wants the report in an automation purpose, and also user wants this report to do some weekly basis or monthly basis. User wants this report. Okay, so we do not need to put the manually effort in daily or weekly time. Okay, so once I save this report on the runtime basis, then this schedule will automatically hit to the user mail chain. Okay, But for testing purpose, yes, we can execute now. Then we can click to here. Now the my scheduled reports is executed. And how we can achieve this, how we can check this? So the one module is existing, that is email logs. Just type the emails, click to new. Okay, now open here, and now just you can see the report for demo. This my schedule is executed. So you can see here, okay, this schedule is executed, and you can achieve this, or you can see my group work.xlsx. Okay, this is my format, and this is my report name. Okay, and now this type is sent. So user received the mail. Okay, and the file format is attached on that mail. So that is a my group work report. Okay, so according to this, we can achieve this functionality to run the schedule reports. Okay, I hope you learn this thing and how we can achieve this functionality. You can also try in your personal PDI instance, and you can achieve this. Okay, and try to execute the different type of reports. Okay, you can try to schedule the different type of reports and do this. Okay, now my all mentioned point is completed regarding the schedule reports. I hope you have learned lots of things from this video. Okay, try to achieve this functionality with your personal PDI. Okay, and do and perform this. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and comments to my channel. And your one help will motivate me to upload the more video. Thank you so much for watching this.